Hi, it's Zarek Daniel from USA Math Ministry and Organization. Follow up the video that I think if you check my YouTubes, we are both gonna go there. Follow up the video, the YouTube that I put, It's amazing these days that even this Android is a little bit confusing, you want to find things. It's just amazing these days. I mean, I'm not complaining in general. In general, it's on purpose. They put me in this situation that I really want to show you, present videos, and I'm struggling to work with my applications. Anyway, in my YouTube page, that is gonna pop up here, my channel. As you see in this video, you go to the videos. And by the way, you want to check the YouTubers. If you want to know them, they are shell or not, there is a great way. Just go check the about, check their mission, check how many channels they are, subscribing, who they are subscribing, and go to playlist and see these people, what they like, is they relevant to their topics. I think I almost like 3,756. So my information comes from the variety of YouTubes, and you have no idea. I studied a lot as well. I'm studying, I'm coding, I'm doing chess, I'm doing mathematics, and I'm doing my study. Here I have one Bible book. I need to show you. I have two Bible. One book is that, and the other recent book that I read was this book of The Trouble with Reality. So I am reading books, and so the point was, here you go to videos and always watch. Of course, the title of this video was it's gonna pop up anyway, so I don't want to run it. I just want to go through because here I said printed money culture, that I bring example of ride sharing, constructions, convert corrupted dollar, and etc. And here, always watch this description. So the title of this video was Illuminati. So what is Illuminati? In a very, they are just putting me in this purpose. They are not letting me to put videos. That's why I'm into these struggling positions. So in my beautiful applications that I have here, especially this one, I explained here in my notes that I have. First was Jewish culture. Let's say Abrahamic culture started with Adam and Eve, and the betrayal of brother and betrayal of culture. As a culture, Noah was betrayed. But then you have this line of Judaism that radicalized by Kabbala, and then through Kabbala you have Hinduism, Buddhism, and recently Satanism that runs this Jewish kind of dangerous part. Then you have Armenian. After Noah Ark, you have these kind of, let's say, Old Testaments radicalism. Then you have Testimonies radicalism. Started with Armenian, Assyrian, and Greek. And maybe when it comes to Islam, you can change because the Islam is a little bit, you can channel through the way that the radicalism in Muslim culture injected was through Islam, that mainly established by Rome and through Jesuits, that comes from where? Armenia. So when I'm talking Grigor Illuminator, the way that Illuminator illuminated Armenia was not Christianity. Bartholomew's the first disciple and second disciple that they really evangelized Armenia was 200 years before Illuminati happens in Armenia. That becomes a center of Illuminati, in my opinion, because even Rome was not Christian when we became Christian. Assyrian were always okay, but I would say more focus must be in Armenian and Jewish people, that eventually we established the Jesuits, Armenians, then Jewish. Then here in the second page, I'm telling, you have the history of Christianity, that, of course, BC, there are a lot of history BC, you know, that includes getting to Christianity. They're a very beautiful part of Old Testament that brings the Christianity. There was not all the time deceptive things in Old Testament. And then here you have this deceptive part of Jews and deceptive part of Jesuits. They create Freemasons. In general, they create Illuminati engine that I'm explaining. And in general, in my YouTube channel that it's gonna pop up here. You go to my YouTube channel as it is. Here, so the other thing I need to tell you, it's about Illuminati effect. Illuminati effect, when you are not finding any reasoning towards the things that happens to you, it's 100% demonic and Illuminati. I mean, these people are they're acting based on demonic forces. I mean, demons are real and they are acting demonic, and physical presentation of the demonic spirit is whatever we have. And voice skull, terrorism, false flags, trashing society, and Illuminati effects create Illuminati cultures. And it depends on a class. When you have in social class, economy class, different cultures based on a class, because you have culture, you have you have values, you have attitudes. So the way that they radicalize these things, it's obvious, but it's based on cultural and social descriptive and solution that I provided here. So you learn about Illuminati effects. I told you about what is Illuminati. I told you history. Then what is Illuminati effect? It's effect of these things that they affect you through witchcraft, through they affect your life. They take peace out of the true peace that Christ gifted Christians by the Christians, not doctrines, reality. Doctrine even is kind of Illuminati effect in some way to communism and mind control things. So here you're gonna go to the description of this video. As you see, I said, as a Christian, be as much as Christian, wake up early, have sex only for marriage and fertilization purpose, not pleasure. And here you go. I have 8 things: no tears, no music. And here I explain what is the culture of these things that recently, because the strategy when they create Illuminati engine and they become Freemason, they become really skillful through witchcraft and all this technology, and they gain physical technology, they gain more power through these things. They create these cultures that you need to be aware and you need to avoid. And at the end, the answer is, are you right now truly stable, in peace and confident? And because of end times, Illuminati effect that I told you will always be there. My question is deep inside place. In your deep my question is deep inside. Deep inside. Place you are going to choose. The place, actually, I should, a little bit, you need to go poetic. Place you are going to choose for Christ or demons. Are you really in peace? USA Math will check the result to test the fruit. Because the Christ said, if you want to see, is it the false kind of education and not doctrine, tutorial, it's a false tutorial or education or a kind of lifestyle. Check the fruit. So I am checking. Put comments, subscribe, and hope you will be part of Real Christians Ministry, one of them USA Matt ministry and organization. Signing off, Zarek Daniel. Bye.